Hey guys, welcome back to the How to EDC channel. Got another video coming for you guys today. Kind of disappeared there for a little bit. My apologies, I was just busy doing some other stuff. Long story, but it involves some fin and things like that. But yeah, I'm not going to get into it right here. You guys let me know if you want to see some of my other hobbies here on the channel. But anyways, today we're taking a look at this Ozark Trail orange knife. There's been a lot of videos about this knife on KnifeTube over the last, I don't know, little while. But as you guys know, I don't trust other knife YouTubers, so let me tell you guys if it's actually a good knife. So let's start off with some size comparisons. Here it is against an Ozark Trail knife that I really like, that we reviewed just a little bit ago. It's got a lot of features that I wish were on this knife. We'll talk about those later. Here's my MTech buoy. You can see here it's kind of on the smaller side for a knife, which is going to be my first complaint. You guys know the bigger the better. Wish this was a little bit bigger. Kind of a boring looking knife, but they do get a couple things right. I do like that they have a all black on the blade. That's pretty awesome. I don't like the orange. They could have gone for a different color there. I wish that the blade had some serrations, but I guess this blade is okay. It's pretty pokey and stuff like that. This has one of those stupid bar lock things. I don't really like these. They're just kind of hard to use. But it has one of those. The clip is mounted in the tip up carry. I really wish it was tipped down like this knife, the way the knives are supposed to be. They also, I guess the new version of this knife, they have a spot milled out for you to move the clip to the other side. I don't know why you even bother doing this. Oh, it's for the left-handed people. Left-handed people aren't real. Okay, so don't even hit me with that. But there's that. This blade here has a lot of wiggle, but I don't really care about that. It's a folding knife. Like, sometimes they're supposed to have some wiggle, so that's fine with me. Feels good in my hand though. I'll say that. I wish it had serrations on the blade. I wish it had a lot of the features of this knife. Serrations, skull crusher, strap cutter, assisted opening. I prefer liner lock. I like the tip down carry. But this knife is like $10, and I think that's pretty cool. You should rarely have to spend more than like 10 or 20 bucks on a pocket knife. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, I guess. Not my favorite thing, but you might enjoy it if this is up your alley. So give it a try. Stay tactical.